You know that tomorrow I'm hustling like there's only one more second left of this hustle.
Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working. Don't bother me, I'm working.
Hello, welcome to my channel, and if you already been subscribing, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I reinstalled and revamped one of my wigs that I've previously installed multiple times on this channel. This is the same wig that I installed about 4 or 5 months ago, one of my very first videos on this channel. If you've been rocking with me from day one, comment below and put day one. This is my wig collection so far, and I want you guys to please do not ever throw your wigs away. They are 100% reusable, especially if they're of good quality. When it comes down to revamping your wig, you want to go for a moisture-rich conditioner, and you're always going to use cold water to bring your hair back to life. I attach elastic bands to all of my wigs. It's a very simple process. Another thing is, when you're reusing a wig, sometimes the lace can get bald or it can lose hair in certain spots, especially when you're cleaning it. I'm going to do a video very soon showing you guys how you can replace the lace on your wig. It's a very, very simple process. And if you make the wigs how I make my wigs, if you followed along with my videos and with my instructions directly, you can definitely replace your lace. All you're gonna do now is get the Gots to Be gel, smooth it down on your skin. After this step, get the blow dryer, get it tacky really quickly for about 20 seconds. Then you're going to pull the lace down and attach it. Either method is fine with me. I don't mind using glue, and I don't mind using the glueless method. It just depends on the circumstances. If I'm going to just be hanging out, just a regular day, I'm going to probably use the glueless method. However, if I'm going to be sweating and hanging out and just living a wild life, not literally a wild life, but anything where I think my wig can possibly slip and fall off, not fall off, but my lace will lift up, I'm definitely not going to use the glueless method. The lace that I sell is a Swiss light brown lace. This lace will match anyone's skin tone. I get that question a lot. Will it blend with my skin? Absolutely. It doesn't matter your skin tone. It's going to blend no matter what. Transparent lace is totally different from a Swiss lace. The transparent lace is a completely different material. They are both going to give you a natural look, but one is more expensive than the other. Keep in mind, I've had this wig for 5 months now, and it's still in good condition. The only thing that I can say is in some spots, some of the hair was missing, but I just cut those pieces off. If you don't over process your knots and over bleach them, or bleach them at all, you'll get really good results when it comes down to your lace lasting. Completely natural. Get into the lace. If you like to purchase this hair, this is my raw virgin curly collection, and my website is attached below. I ship worldwide. If you need help purchasing anything, I also have my customer hotline number below as well. All I used was this Gots to Be gel. This is not a trick. This is not a game. These are real results. I hope this video helped you. See you next time. All you need to use on this hair is water, moisture-rich conditioner, and a detangling brush. Anything else will cause buildup and will cause your hair to tangle. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and by now I hope you've clicked the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys for all of the support. Don't forget to stop by hairbyericaj.com and make your next purchase with us.